everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if apps crashing on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library and click on app, go back and close. Click app, go back and close. Click back, close. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Go to app library, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more latest video. Thanks for watching.